1. How to quickly generate robot motion trajectories. Move the robot to the operating station. Close and secure the solenoid valve. And turn on the drag mode for positioning. We first give a scan start point, and then a stand end point. After the robot scans and obtains data, it automatically generates the entire motion trajectory. 2. What happens if the robot is overloaded? Do you know how much the load setting affects mechanical performance? The load of the robotic arm has a great impact on the performance of the robotic arm, mainly in the following aspects. 1. The accuracy is limited. Excessive load will lead to larger errors during the movement of the robotic arm, thus affecting its accuracy. 2. Speed decreases. The heavier the load, the slower the robotic arm will move, which will reduce the working efficiency of the robotic arm. 3. The offset increases. Excessive load will cause the working attitude of the robotic arm to deviate. This affects the working accuracy of the robotic arm. 4. Power loss. Excessive load will increase the load in the motor of the robotic arm, leading to problems such as excessive motor loss and excessive heating. 3. How to deal with robot singularities. Singular points are locations where multiple solutions will appear during the inverse solution process of the robot joint. This prevents the robot from moving correctly according to the plan. Singularity points cause the robot to lose one or more degrees of axis. When the robot's tool center point enters or approaches a singular point, the robot will stop moving or move in a strange way. For example, when a 6-axis robot enters a singular point, one or more of its joints will not work, essentially becoming a robot with 5 joints or less. In this process, it will inversely solve multiple situations at 3 locations. There are 3 specific singular points, namely shoulder singular point, elbow singular point, and wrist singular point. During actual operation, engineers need to pay attention to the on-site operating environment, program new motion trajectories to avoid singular points and prevent robot from being damaged.